Welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty and in today's video it's all about unboxing, and I want to unbox with you guys my ring light, and I'm super excited. I have been wanting to have one for the longest time, but anyway, let's start. This tripod, I bought it at Eastleigh in a mall called Towfiiq shopping mall. It's a new mall just opposite to Bangkok. Those people who goes to Eastleigh already, they know where Bangkok is. It's a famous mall, and 22-inch. And for me, I just wanted to buy the ring light, and they told me they're not selling them separately, so I had to buy the ring light and the tripod together, and I'm glad I have two tripods now. Okay, let us open together and see.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited.
This is the tripod, the stand behind the tripod.
You have to, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
Start by opening this tripod and see.
It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
I think it's 2 feet long. It's 2 feet long. Also, this press is where you can adjust if you want. Also here.
It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense.
Open the ring light.
You put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
This is the ring light. This is now the ring light. As I have told you, it's a 22-inch, and it comes in hat with. This is the remote, and this is where you put the battery to control. This is the remote, and there are 3 pieces phone holders. And let's see. I don't know whether I'll be able to connect, but let me try.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Here we go.
This thing was missing. This thing was missing. That is why I had struggled to fix, but
That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Okay, let us go and connect to see how it's working, but I'm not going to connect it here. Let me find somewhere that I can connect so that I can show you how it's working and the right thing. Let's see. I have already connected, and I'm sorry for the echo. And now I want to show you how it's working. And this is the remote. This is its remote. And if you also, you can touch here. If you and if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And I'm so glad that you are supporting me. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. Now it's road to 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. And I'm glad I'm having this my ring light